SunCommon presents Composting. Pick a sunny location for your composter as heat is a key ingredient. Nitrogen-rich kitchen scraps like these coffee grounds, banana peels, and potato skins are a great way to get started. You can even add those plants you forgot to water. For every 1 part of nitrogen-rich material, you'll need 2 parts of carbon-rich material. Chopping up what you put into your composter increases the surface area of the material and decreases the time it takes to decompose. Combining the carbon and nitrogen-rich materials and a scoop of plain old garden dirt is all you need to get started. This particular bin has 2 chambers, one side for compost that still needs time once full, and the other to add additional overflow material. Check the health of your compost every 2 to 3 days, and give it a good turn. Take a whiff while you're out there. Odors are an indication that your mix might be too wet. Try adding some dry browns and opening an air vent. If your mix doesn't heat up and feels too wet, add dry browns, and if it feels too dry, add water. Depending on the material added, your compost should be ready in 2 to 8 weeks. Sifting the material creates a fine blend for potting mixes. The coarser material is a nutritious top dressing for use around outdoor plants. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a bountiful growing season.